go, go. Go, go. Well, not interested in chasing me even. There's Oreo. Look at its neck. He's got feathers pulled out from fighting. See, since these two are her boyfriends, Dusty and Oreo, they're her main ones. Sometimes they just fight when she's gone. Some dog won't shut up. That's why we like ducks. I could go through all the reasons why. It's a lot nicer to have ducks than dogs. Oh, did you get on one leg? Look at you! Oh, you're back. Oh, that's how they put it away.